Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Welcome to how to get the domain name of a website. In this tutorial, we will explore different methods to discover and buy the domain name of any website. Knowing the domain name can provide valuable information about a website's identity and purpose. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's understand the significance of a domain name. A domain name is the unique address that identifies a website on the internet. It's crucial for accessing and recognizing websites. Today we will explore various methods to uncover the domain name of a website. Let's get started. The easiest and most straightforward method is to check the address bar of your web browser. The domain name appears at the beginning of the website URL, usually after HTTP or HTTPS. It is the text between www and the first slash symbol. So let's learn how to look up for a domain name. The Google search bar, type Lean Domain Search. The Lean Domain Search is a website that helps to find the domain names based on the keyword you select. So select a keyword and click on the search button. The Lean Domain Search website will show you multiple variations of the domain names, and you can select any domain name of your choice. So here you can see a list of different domain names. You can select any domain name of your choice from here, such as Tech Food Recipes, Food Recipes Central, Big Food Recipes Host, Food Recipes Mobile, Info Food Recipes Games, Design Food Recipes, or Food Recipes Map. So any domain name that you find more attractive for your blog, you can just select it from here and you can get it or buy it for your website. Let's select the domain name Creative Food Recipes. Once you will select the domain name, a dialog box will appear on the screen that will show whether this domain name is available or not. After selecting the domain name, go to the website godaddy.com so that you can purchase this domain name. In the search bar, type creativefoodrecipes.com. GoDaddy.com will show you different variations of the domain name with its prices. You can select and buy any domain name that is available in low price and you think it is more attractive for your website or blog. Now select any domain name and click on Make It Yours button to add it to the cart. Once your domain name is added to the cart, you can just log into your account to purchase the domain name. Once you are logged in, you need to select some features of domain name before purchasing it, such as whether you want a full domain protection, an ultimate domain protection, or a free privacy protection. After that, click on Continue to the cart. Just check again all the features you have selected for your domain name and then click on I am ready to pay. Just fill out all your billing information, such as your country name, your phone number, your address, your zip code, your province or region, your city or your country or your organization. In the end, you can just select a payment method. Before purchasing, you can reconfirm the availability of domain name through online WHOIS Lookup tool. This tool provides comprehensive information about domain names, including the registered owner, contact details, and more. Simply search for WHOIS Lookup in a search engine. Choose a reliable tool and enter the website's URL to retrieve the domain name details. Just type the domain name in the search bar and click on the search button. If your domain name is already registered, then this tool will show you all the domain name information here. As you can see, this domain name is available and looks like this domain has not been registered yet. Now let's try a domain name that is already purchased. So I have written a domain name here that is already registered. Now click on the search button. You will see the WHOIS information tool will display all the information about the domain. Once you are satisfied, you can just proceed buying the domain. Now we have explored the process of finding and buying a domain name. We learned how to find the domain name of a website by checking the address bar using online WHOIS lookup tools and the lean domain search website. Once you have identified the domain name, the process of buying it is relatively straightforward. Follow the instructions provided by the domain registrar to finalize your purchase. Make sure to review and understand the terms, pricing, and renewal policies. Proceed with the secure online payment process to secure your chosen domain name. Remember, it's important to keep your domain registration information up to date and renew your domain before it expires to maintain ownership. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.